How to trim sawgrass. Sawgrass, known scientifically as Cladium jamaicense, derives its name from its long, saw-like blades. It is capable of producing painful cuts and scrapes to your unprotected skin. Sawgrass is actually a sedge, having triangular blades while grasses have round blades. Sawgrass up to 9 feet tall with flowering spikes and can be a dramatic addition to your yard. Sawgrass is very fast-growing, and it is best to trim it in early spring, before the growing season starts. Things you'll need: thick work gloves, pruning shears, rope, hedge trimmers, chainsaw, yard waste bags. Wear a long-sleeved shirt, long pants and thick work gloves to prevent cuts and scrapes when working with sawgrass. Remove the dead leaves and old plumes, using pruning shears. Start from the outside and work toward the center or crown of the plant. This relieves the plant of unhealthy and decomposing foliage. Tie a rope around the perimeter of the plant about 2 feet from the ground. Wrap the rope a few times around to keep the foliage secure. Cinch the rope tightly. Cut around the perimeter of the plant below the rope, 8 to 12 inches above the ground. Cut all the way through to the center of the plant. Use hedge trimmers or a chainsaw, depending on the size of the plant. Dispose of dead foliage and grass clumps in large yard waste bags approved by your local municipality. This will prevent lightweight seed spores from spreading throughout your yard.